Geopolitical significance competition for control of Eurasia. Eurasia's largest country, Russia, is plagued by problems. Russia has to deal with rivals in the Arctic, Central Asia, the Caucasus, Eastern Europe and Scandinavia. In other words, Russia is worried about its entire border. Russia does not have the economic and military power of the Soviet Union. Not an ideological goal, but Russia is busy regaining some of its lost pride. But that goal is also against the goal of the United States. So in all cases, the United States has become an obstacle to Russia. US-led NATO is now almost on Russia's border. Russia's military exercises in the Norwegian Sea, the Baltic Sea and the Black Sea have kept Russia busy amid coronavirus infections. Belarus's internal problems have also troubled Russia. On the other hand, Turkey is supporting Azerbaijan against Armenia in the Caucasus. China's growing influence in Central Asia is also against Russia's interests. Russia's economy is dependent on oil and gas exports to Europe. The United States does not want Europe to depend on Russia for oil and gas. But Europeans do not think that Russia is a threat to Europe. On the other hand, the United States has excluded Turkey from the F-35 stealth warplane project as a result of its purchase of S-400 air defense systems from Russia. On the one hand, it has questioned Turkey's position in NATO, as well as the fact that Turkey's path is different from Europe's. An important area of Eurasia is the westernmost Uyghur or Xinjiang state in China. Geopolitical competition has started with this Muslim-inhabited state. As part of the great power contest, the United States and Western nations have begun to target the Chinese government's inhumane treatment of Uyghur Muslims. The West has adopted this policy, not to save the Muslims, but to put pressure on China. Muslim countries, on the other hand, have refrained from criticizing the Chinese government for fear of losing its trade and investment. The same is true of Muslims in Palestine, Kashmir, Afghanistan, Arakan, Syria, Yemen, Iraq, and other regions.
এরে তো এরে করছে হচ্ছে গিয়ে দাঁড়াও খোরশেদ করছে তা আমার ছুরি আমি চিনবো না ছুরিটা আছে কি অবস্থা জানি মানুষের আর উপকার করবো না বাল ছুরি আমাদের উপকার করবি না তোর করবো ভাই কি তাই কি তোর কি ক্ষতি করবো একটু লুকায় রাখছি কেন লুকায় রাখছি ওই সময় ভরে গেছিল ভাই হাই হাই ও তাহলে আমি কি মাইকেল মধুসূদন দত্ত মারবো না থাক ভালো পাবার না প্রাইস কি আর সে কি কুইজ প্লেয়ারের নাম কি